Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're going to talk about how to bring your beard back to life after wearing a face mask. So it looks like face masks are going to be the norm for the rest of the year, maybe for the next couple of years, who knows. But what it does to your beard is very, very frustrating. So as I take this mask off, you'll see I'll have what I call is a smiley beard. So basically what's happening here is the face mask is squeezing my beard hair around my chin, and it's just kind of overflowing here then. So as I take off the face mask, there's going to be a dent in my beard, which is actually quite difficult to take out, depending on how long you have to wear your beard. If you are just running into a shop and it's only a couple of minutes, it's not too bad. But perhaps if you're on a journey, you may have to wear the mask for a couple of hours. Then bring your beard back when you're kind of meeting people, or when you arrive to the place you want to arrive and you're walking around outside and you want to have your beard looking well. It is quite difficult to bring it back to life. So I'm going to show you a few tips that I do to kind of try to bring my beard back to life. Obviously, the best thing to do is jump in the shower and wash it and go from scratch. But when you're out and about, you don't have that luxury. So with a beard brush and a bit of beard balm, I'm going to show you how I deal with this. So I'm going to take off the mask. And as you can see, it's a little bit pushed in. If you see from the side, it's going to be pushed in. I've only been wearing the mask for probably a minute or two, so it's not completely realistic for this video, but it is going to be more dented when you do wear it for a little bit longer. So I would definitely get my brush. I have a beard brush everywhere I go. There's one, a few all over my house. There's one in my beard or my car as well. So, and if I'm traveling, I most certainly bring a beard brush. So we're going to go straight up. So I'm going to basically try to bring the hair away from my chin because it's been squashed around it. So I'm going to go right up, and again, just go crazy with your beard brush. You're going to go circular motions, circular movements, up, straight up to the side. You really just want to puff it up again after being squashed for so long. So we're going to try that first. So just with the brush, that's stage one, and now brush it down again. Use your hand. But now what you don't want to do with the brush this time, you don't want to push into the skin, because as you push into the skin, you're actually going to follow your chin, and then at the end, you're going to push it in just like the mask does. So you kind of want to keep light with your hand, and you're just going to go straight down rather than down and in. So straight down and almost flick it out at the end so that you don't kind of push down on that chin area. Okay, so again, use your hands to shape it. That actually works quite well. Even though it's just a slight hand brush, it can work well with your regular brush. So now, as I can see, that's not bad. That's brought it back to life pretty good. But like I said, that was only wearing for a few seconds. If you are wearing it longer, again, grab your brush, away you go, puff it up again. We're going to add a little bit of beard balm this time. So again, I like to go circular motions, if you can see me, as well as up and down. Really get in there, mess it up. And then grab your beard balm, tiny bit on the back of your nail. And now, usually we put it on the palm of our hands. This time we're going to be putting on our fingers, rub it together on your fingers, and now kind of really coat those hairs around your chin area, pushing them out. Like so. That's it, really get in there. So now, if you can see my beard, it's way out, which is what I want, because it has been squashed. Now it's way out, cover that, and again, don't push down on the brush, or yeah, you're just going to stroke down and almost come out at an angle at the bottom. So go very light with the brush. Now don't be pushing down against your chin, and again, use your hand. That for some strange reason, using your hand with your beard brush does wonders. So you're just guiding everything like so, and yeah, that's coming along nicely. Again, I'm being very light around the chin area. And there you go. I've brought back the shape that I had before there by using your brush first. If that doesn't work, use a little bit of beard balm if you have it with you. Again, it's one of the most frustrating things about having a beard right now is wearing the face mask. But that's just a little tip to kind of bring you back to normality after you remove the face mask. And hopefully that will help. A small bit of beard balm, and of course brushing, but don't push down on the chin as you're brushing. Brush out at an angle and just try to straighten everything and try to keep it away from your chin. If you like the videos, make sure to subscribe. Have a great day or evening, and I'll see you in the next video. you.